Sandra. Sandra.
Oh, baby, you're here.
Baby, will you marry me?
Oh my God. Yes, baby, I'll marry you.
April Fool! Babe, you slapped me?
What do you mean by that? We'll be dating for 15 good years and you've never proposed to me and I'll be patiently waiting for this only for you to tell me it's a prank?
Someone cannot play with you again. This is play we used to play now. Someone cannot just play with you again. It's a prank now.
Oh, it's play. Yeah. Alright, just calm down, relax. Why are you running now? Don't you want to play? Prank, kill you here. April Fool, kill you. I don't want to see me in my house again. It's over between us.
She dragged me shaka and a bad nigga. Thanks for watching that wonderful video. Hope you enjoyed it. As you can see, I'm not a lazy Nigerian. I used to shoot comedy every day for you to laugh. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and share this video to family and friends. And to download our video, visit our website www.pvcomedy.com to download our video. All the episodes you want are there. So subscribe. See you next time. Peace out.